Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So I know na-miss nyo ako sa pag-vlog. Sorry, naging busy ako lately and pagpasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko. Malamig yung panahon so medyo may konting sikon tayo today. Okay, so right now we have here because malapit na yung Valentine's Day and of course, naglabas na naman yung mga iba-ibang klase ng stores na mga kanilang mga pakulo for Valentine's Day. And we have here Krispy Kreme's treat for us for Valentine's Day. Here you go. Sana nakita niyo yan. Yun, diba? These are donuts na heart shape and of course, may halo silang Hersheys chocolate for the Valentine's Day, and yung mga flavors na to, these are strawberry Kia. Wait, let's take a look at this one. Okay, we have strawberry kiss and salted caramel filled rose and mixed berry love. Oh, diba? And of course, tikman natin. Konti lang nabili ko kasi I was planning to buy plenty. Pag natikman ko na siya. So, let's go. Let's eat. Yung size niya, yung size ng typical donut, kaya lang naka-heart shape nga lang talaga siya. Okay, so, tikman na natin. Meron siyang, pieces talaga. Hersheys. Hersheys na yung chocolate. Okay, so let's try muna first this one. Pasensya ko, so kasi ibang background naman. Kaya nasa labas tayo ngayon. Let's try this one. Ito ba sa loob? This is the strawberry kiss. Ay, meron siyang laman sa loob. Yan. Oil, in fairness, hindi siya ganun katamis. Hindi na maaraw na. Kanina umaambon. Next natin yung mixed berry love. So this one, init na nga. Okay. Alam ko mag-iinit na kasi Valentine's Day. Yung mga jowa dyan. Okay. So, may red siya. Icing sa ibabaw. Then, mentioned chocolate and Hershey sa ibabaw. May feeling siya sa loob. May white na feeling. Sarap. In fairness. Alam niyo what I love? Every time Valentine's Day sa Krispy Kreme. Special yung pagkakatimpla ng mga donuts nila. And the donuts that they are serving are really not that sweet. That's why I do buy every time na yung Valentine's Day dun sa kanilang store. Nawala na si Direk. Direk, where are you? Next is the salted caramel filled rose. Okay. Sira na yung pagkaka-rose niya. Ayan. Try natin. Ang try na sarap lahat. Ay. Ako na nag-enjoy. Hati kasi kami ni Derek. Okay, my verdict. Actually, I love everything. I love all the flavors. For me lang disclaimer lang, this is not sponsored. I bought them yesterday, amounting to 65 pesos each. And they have these 3 flavors that they offer this Valentine's Day. And for me, it's not that sweet. And every time, Krispy Kreme will be offering new donuts variations for Valentine's Day, they have this distinct flavor na gustong-gusto ko. And right now, I think the theme for their Valentine's Day is they are using Hersheys. Wow, may English ang lola mo. Pag may sakit, may English. Okay. So, ayan. So, ngayon, naka-Hersheys sila. So, everything is good. Actually, I will give this 10 out of 10. Yeah! Ay, guys, ako lang to, ha? And of course, kahit ganito ako, wala naman ng COVID, nalalasahan ko siya. Okay. So, if ever you are planning to give your loved ones donuts during Valentine's Day, this is one type of gift na talagang magugustuhan nila because, of course, the presentation-wise, it's nice. The taste is very distinctive. Hindi siya ganun katamis. For me, hindi siya ganun katamis, magugustuhan ng kahit sino. So, you can give your mother, father, or your loved ones, or tayong jowa eh. Kaya wag na sa jowa. Charot! Okay. Joke lang. Okay. So, yun lang. Charot talaga. Charot. Anyways, there. So, you can purchase this at the stores of Krispy Kreme amounting to 65 pesos each. Okay. You can buy them, kahit pa isa-isa pwede. Para kung gusto nyo lang matikman. Pero, gusto ko talaga dahil tatlo siya. So, buy 3 na yung binili ko. Box of 3. Yeah. You can purchase this, buo, or buy 6 or buy 12. There. Okay, so that's it. I miss you guys. Naging busy lang tayo lately. Okay, so, there you have it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day! Ciao!